Hello students, how are you? Dear students, last video we discussed mole concept, isotopes, isobars and some information regarding to atoms also. So today our topic is what is an atom. So matter composed of atom, this is the consequence of the manners in which the electrons are distributed throughout space in the attractive field and state by the nuclei. So the nuclei act as point attracts immerse in a cloud of negative charge and the electron's density. So the electron density describe the manner in which the electronic charge is distributed throughout real space. So the electron density is a measurable property and it determines the appearance and form of matter. So this is the list illustrate in the following figure. So one display the spatial distribution of the electron density in the plan containing 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen nuclei of the ethane molecules. So the electron density is maximum at the position of each nuclei and the decay rapidly away from this position. When this diagram is translated into the 3 dimension, the cloud of negative charge is seen to be the most dense at nuclear position and to become more diffuse as one moves away from this centers of attraction. So the presence of local maxima at the position of the nuclei is the general and also dominated topology properties. So illustrate the same feature of the 110 planes of carbon nuclei in the diamond lattice. So determine what Figs has to say about this property electron density. One most consider not the density itself but the one obtains by following the trajectories tracked out by the gradients vectors of the density. So starting at any points, one determines the gradients. This is the vector that points in the direction of maximum increase in the density. So one mark makes an infinitable step in the direction and the recalculates the gradient to obtain the new direction. By continued repeating of the process, one tracks out a trajectory of a gradient's vector map generated in the manner illustrated in the upper diagram. So the same planes of the ethane molecules, since the density exhibited maximum at the position of each nucleus set the trad so terminate at each nuclei. The nuclei are the attracts of the gradients vector field of the electrons density. Because of this fundamental property, the space of the molecules is disjoint and electricity particulate into basin. So a basin being the region of space traversed by the trajectories terminating at a given nuclei of attack. So since a single attack is associated with each basin, an atom is defined as the union of attractive and basin. So atom and molecules, one of the most powerful development in the history of science is the atomic and molecular model of atom. So which can be used to explain and predict a large variety of phenomena, ideas about elements and atoms. So and their combination in molecules are large arrays developed from two notation that matter is made of individually teeny pieces and that the enormous and variety of material in the world is the result of different combination of a relatively small number of basic ingredients. So in high school, this idea extend to benchmark about the relation relating of the material properties to its atomic or molecular makeup, the structure of the atom itself, and the extents of isotope and radioactivity. The section undertaking fire and splitting the atoms in space for all Americans and benchmark chapter like that. Okay. So the atom in molecules or atom in molecules of quantum theory of atom in molecules quantum approach in a quantum chemicals model of the characterize the chemical bonding of systematic based on the topology of the quantum charge density. In addition to bonding, aims allow the calculation of certain physical properties on a per atom basis by dividing space up into the atomic volume containing exactly one nuclei. So developed by Professor Richard Barder since the early 1960s. During the past decade, quantum has gradually become a theory of addressing possible questions regarding chemical system in a variety of situations. So hardly handed before by an other model of theory in chemistry. In quantum, an atom is defined as a proper open system. So a system that can share energy and electron density, which is localized in the 3D space. Each atom acts as a local attractor of the electron density, and therefore it can be defined in terms of the local curvature of the electron density, and the mathematical study of these feature in usually refer in the listed at charge density topology. So nevertheless, the terms of topology is used in a different sense in mathematics. So this is the some information regarding to atom and molecules. And next video we discuss some other types of content also. Okay, thank you.